A lot of our clients come to us with old wood or pressure-treated decks that are deteriorated or in poor shape, and they are looking to upgrade those decks to a new composite deck. The new composites currently out on the market today really have a great look to them. They're realistic looking, they have a good wood grain texture, and I think they give that traditional feel of a wood deck without the maintenance of a traditional wood deck. They don't need to be sealed every year. You don't have to paint them, you don't have to stain them. They are really easy maintenance-wise and easy to clean. The cost of a composite deck does tend to be a little bit more expensive than your traditional wood, cedar, or pressure-treated deck. But when you take into consideration the cost of maintenance with sealing a deck every few years, and then take into consideration the fact that you really have very little fading, you have very little chance for warping or deterioration, and gives you more time to enjoy your deck instead of caring for your deck. It comes with a great warranty. Most of the composite decks are guaranteed for about 25 years. You can really rest assured that it's going to be an investment that you're going to be able to enjoy for years to come.